Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what incredible celestial events are yet to come? While we're lucky to witness things like eclipses and meteor showers, the universe operates on a time scale far grander than our own. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the distant future, exploring 10 mind-blowing space events that, unfortunately, none of us will be around to see. This is part 1 of a cosmic countdown that will stretch your imagination across millennia. First up on our journey into the cosmic future is the grand finale of the Mars rover, Opportunity. Landing on the red planet back in 2004 for a mission that was only supposed to last 90 days, this little rover defied all expectations. It roamed Mars for an incredible 15 years, sending back priceless data and stunning images. But in 2018, a planet-wide dust storm silenced it for good. Here's the bittersweet part. Mars' thin atmosphere and weak winds mean Opportunity will remain almost perfectly preserved for an incredibly long time. It's estimated that it will take tens of thousands, maybe even millions of years, for its tracks to be erased and its structure to break down. So, while we can't see it, we can imagine this lonely monument to human curiosity, sitting silently on the Martian surface, waiting for a future we'll never know. It's a poetic, if somber, beginning to our list. Next, let's fast forward to the year 13,000. If you look at a star chart today, the North Star, Polaris, is our steadfast guide. But our planet has a wobble, a slow precession of its axis, that takes about 26,000 years to complete. In roughly 11,000 years from now, around the year 13,000, this wobble will cause Earth's North Pole to point towards a different star. The brilliant, blue-white star Vega, in the constellation Lyra, will take over as our North Star. Imagine future civilizations looking up at a completely different celestial guidepost. Their myths, their navigation, their very relationship with the night sky will be oriented around Vega. Polaris will just be another star in the Little Dipper. Its time as the celestial anchor a distant memory. It's a powerful reminder that even the constants we rely on are, in the grand scheme of things, temporary. Let's leap further ahead. Sometime within the next 50,000 years, something spectacular is set to happen much closer to home. Voyager 1, the spacecraft we launched in 1977, is currently hurtling through interstellar space. It's the most distant human-made object from Earth. In about 40,000 years, it will make a relatively close pass by a star named Gliese 445 in the constellation Camelopardalis. Close pass in cosmic terms is still about 1.6 light-years away, so it won't be crash-landing on any exoplanets. But imagine it, a silent ambassador from a long-gone era of humanity, carrying its golden record, drifting through another solar system. Will any intelligence be there to notice it? We'll never know. But it's a beautiful thought that a piece of us will continue its lonely pilgrimage through the galaxy long after we're gone. It's a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean. For our fourth event, we're going from a single spacecraft to an entire constellation. The Big Dipper is one of the most recognizable patterns in the night sky. Its 7 bright stars seem fixed, a reliable friend for stargazers, but they're not. Each star is moving independently through space, with its own speed and direction. Over a long enough period, this movement, called proper motion, will completely reshape the constellation. In about 100, procrastinating years, the Big Dipper, as we know it, will be gone. The stars that form the handle and the bowl will have drifted so far apart that the pattern will be completely unrecognizable. Future astronomers will look at that same patch of sky and see a random scattering of stars, with no clue that they once formed a celestial ladle for an ancient civilization called ours. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? Even the star pictures we've drawn for millennia are just a fleeting snapshot in time. And finally, for the 5th event in Part 1, we're witnessing a truly stellar act of cosmic vandalism. Let's travel about 1 million years into the future. By this time, one of the brightest stars in our sky, the red supergiant Betelgeuse, will have long since met its explosive end. But another behemoth, the Hypergent star VY Canis Majoris, is waiting in the wings. It's one of the largest and most luminous stars known, so immense that if it were at the center of our solar system, it would extend out past the orbit of Jupiter. This star is unstable and shedding massive amounts of material. Sometime in the next million years, it's destined to explode in a hypernovan event far more powerful than a typical supernova. For weeks, it could be so bright that it would be visible during the daytime on Earth and might even cast shadows at night. It would be the greatest celestial fireworks show in human history, a temporary second sun in our sky. But for us, it remains a spectacle confined to the imagination, a ghost light from the far future. And that's a wrap on the first 5 stops of our tour through time, from a lonely rover on Mars to a hypernova that will rewrite the night sky. The universe has some breathtaking events in store. It's a bit sad we won't see them, but it's also incredible to know that the cosmic story is just getting started. We'll be back with part 2 to explore even more distant and mind-bending events. What do you think is the most fascinating event we discussed today? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through space and time, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss the next 5 events. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.